What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Mary.
It's your boy, Dude.
Okay. I got my boy Dukes with me today, y'all. And y'all, we got some up our sleeve today. Y'all seen by that title. We're gonna be getting your boy Justin today. And y'all just sit back.
I'm gonna be hucking that home.
Sit back and enjoy the show, man, because it's gonna be too funny. Because Justin already is like a road rager. And y'all gonna see. Just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I don't know, what should we do? Should we do Honk if you love God? Or should we do like Honk for my B-Day? Honk to help me prank my husband.
Do that one.
Honk to help me prank me.
Yeah, do that one.
Now, if y'all wondering why we right here, Justin getting cut right now. And we just ain't Wendy's, so yeah, we plotting on it. So we just writing the sign, waiting for him to tell us that he ready, then we're gonna put it on the back. And I'm just like, I don't want to drive no more, bag, you drive.
Yeah, we about to get active for real.
Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so this how it looking right here. Got the Mary&Justin on the bottom, you know, yeah. I got hella tape on here, y'all. We might have to hit the highway. And we got to make sure it don't blow off. Yeah.
What y'all old people looking at? You know, pulled up in there old like in 2012. Word! Hey, didn't I drive over here?
I'm tired of driving. I have driving in Duke.
Right now no more. I don't like that.
Like it no food either.
Finna die. Finna starve.
I've been trying to cook unless you want to get some. That's what's gonna be rich you take going home. Probably something in there. Like nacho salad?
Like chips and nacho. Nobody.
Rolling alley probably.
Yeah.
I should get some cheese and chill. Okay.
No, just don't be here no more.
They were blowing at you?
Still selling though.
I don't know. They blowing at you?
I ain't doing
Mm.
I hope not.
Driving bad, I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah.
Boy, you said that blunt at me we love.
That's because people keep blowing.
What I'm doing?
You drive pool, probably swerving.
Can't drive, boy.
Stop swerving.
Something might be wrong with our car, son.
What's wrong with the car to make people blow?
Something might be open or something.
They ain't trying to say that. I ain't get gas. No, gas.
I ain't surprised.
What are you looking at on Facebook?
I'm trying to see what they blowing for. Yes.
Get out the way. Get out the way. Move.
I had a problem. I would have came to you like a man. See, look, I should.
Why you going close to them?
They coming close to me.
Look at you on the side.
Cause they in my lane. What you mean? I just showed you they in my lane.
Yeah, they'll let you in. I'm gonna say, get out the way. Get out the way.
Y'all might wrote something on the car.
What?
Y'all might wrote something on the car.
Why would you write something?
Telling people to blow it there.
No.
Yeah.
You should. They
Why
gave
y'all
me a prank though.
Why y'all looking at me?
Who you talking to us?
Them ugly.
Ooh, what the fuck man? Get out the way. Going back way.
I knew it.
Bro, they so lame.
Oh God, they lame.
They is lame, bro. Ain't nobody hardly honk for real. They lame, y'all. That's what said, y'all.
I knew it. I knew it. I'm like, y'all smiling and looking at me.
I think we did smile too much, dude. We should have been like.
He kept looking at me.
I know.
Looking at me. No, he was like,
It was hard to keep it together. Oh God, dang. All right, y'all.
you gave me something. They honking at you.
Cause I was trying to like talk to kind of like say I should have been like.
They honking at you.
I should have been like, what you doing, man? Or like, why they honking at us? I shouldn't have been laughing. Dang.
Funny, cause like we knew what was going on.
Oh,
They was
God.
just honking.
It was so hard not to laugh, but it's alright, y'all.
On the first one, when you said they weren't honking, I almost died laughing.
Oh God, then you done popped it on the Apple Play. I'm like, dang, now
That shit on TNT.
epic fail, y'all. We tried. See y'all in the next video. Dang.